Reliance Foundry has a long history as a designer, maker, and vendor of metal products. Our commitment to innovation has allowed us to serve our customers' changing needs for almost a century. Most of our products are installed outdoors and in high-traffic areas, meaning that scrapes and dings are inevitable. Traditional finishes such as paint or powder coating are easily scratched, leaving the product beneath susceptible to rust, and they just don't look very good. To fix a damaged powder-coated product, the entire product needs to be uninstalled, sandblasted, recoated, and then reinstalled. Reliance Foundry's IronArmor coating is formulated for the outdoors. It provides excellent protection against weathering. IronArmor is more impact-resistant than traditional powder coating, keeping installations looking newer for longer. In the case of damage, IronArmor can be field repaired, meaning that the product doesn't need to be uninstalled and transported away and back before fixing the scratch. So we're going to dent the coating on this bollard cap. You can see where the coating has been pushed aside, and you can see the metal beneath. To fix it, we're going to take our torch and heat the IronArmor. After just a few seconds, it's warm enough to remold across the scratch. You can see the fixed item now. The metal is completely covered, so it won't be susceptible to rust, and it also cools quickly, so it can be safely touched right after the repair. For larger damages, where melding the IronArmor back over the scratch isn't possible, we can send a patch. The whole damaged area can be heated, and the patch placed over top where it will melt into the surface. Want to learn more? Please contact Reliance Foundry at 1-877-789-3245.